Contact.
Hello everybody and welcome to America. Today we're going to do a little Daytona 500 pit crew, Mack style. I've got, as previously mentioned, I got 8 drive tires mounted on rims that are going to be mounted on 8 drive axles on Deputy Dog, the R model Mack. So let's see what we can do. I haven't mounted these big truck tires since I was in high school. Well, I shouldn't say mounted, they're already on rims, but swapped them. And I'm especially slightly concerned about the Daytons. Mostly getting them straight when I get back on. But we will proceed and see what happens. So stick around. I'm going to set up the camera on time lapse so it looks like I'm really fast and productive. So stick around. Oh, forgot to mention, people ask, what kind of tools are you going to be using? Nothing special. I got a 12-ton bottle jack. I got a couple of jack stands. I'm probably going to do one side at a time so I don't have to jack the whole deal up at once in case my jack's too wimpy for Mack style action. And another tool I'm going to be using is Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact. Big fan of these. We've been buying them at work lately. 1,400 foot-pounds. Pretty impressed. Way more awesomeness than I would expect out of a cordless impact. This one's actually got more oomph than my 1/2-inch pneumatic. So let's hope it's up to the challenge of some 30-year-old Mack tires, and stay tuned. we just got done with the tire swap on the Deputy Dog. We got the in with the new and out with the old. So those are what was on it. Mismatched. There's 4 Goodyears, 2 bias plies. Those are all 1000 R20s, and then there's one 11 R22.5. Pretty good tire. One good one. So got it done. I'm very happy about that. I got a matched set of tires on there. They don't have a whole lot of tread on them, but they'll do for what I need for now. When the weather warms up, I'm gonna end up pulling them all off again. And then I'm gonna paint these rims to be red again, I think. So to kind of keep with the theme. I wanna pull all these off and then pressure wash everything with the tires off, clean all the brake drums, and all that stuff. Get everything clean, maybe do a quick rattle can job on the frame, just to kind of clean it up and hold it over for now. Want to get all the mechanical things squared away before I start any of the paint or body work. So that's what we got coming up. So stay tuned. If you've got any advice for a fledgling young learning Mack mechanic, please, I'm all ears. Hopefully there's someone older, wiser, and better looking that's willing to point me in the right direction. So until next time, stay American and do your best. Thanks for watching.